talk. But good afternoon. I just attended the 2 days validation workshop on the National Action Plan for Disability Inclusion. And today, this signifies a very important milestone in our collective journey towards a greater inclusion, a truly inclusive society for the Maldives. The National Action Plan on Disability Inclusion represents a very bold and practical commitment by the government of Maldives, led under the leadership of the Ministries of Social and Family Development, to fully realize the principles set forth in the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, as well as the protection of rights of persons with disabilities and provision of Financial Assistance Act. So with all of that, we hope that Maldives, the communities, the persons with disabilities communities in the Maldives will have a greater access and also enjoy a far better, livelihood with these National Action Plan in place. Thank you very much. And we also would like to, extend our special and also sincere gratitude towards the ministry for giving us the opportunity to facilitate this remarkable journey. Thank you.